Container plants allows you to create visually stunning arrangements that complement your outdoor spaces. It offers several benefits, making them a popular choice for gardening enthusiasts and those with limited outdoor space. Choose a variety of plants with different heights, colors, and textures to create interest and balance in your arrangement. Aim for a mix of thriller, filler, and spiller plants to provide focal points, fullness, and cascading effects, respectively. This video is going to share 25 best container plants details. It provides overall picture for you to choose best combination of plants for container planting. Euphorbia diamond frost. A perfect filler plant for containers. Finely textured, light green foliage that forms a mounding habit. The tiny, white flowers on delicate stems that rise above the foliage, creating a cloud-like effect. Persian shield is a striking plant for containers. The most vibrant coloration of bicolor green, purple, and silver-marked foliage. It goes well with other contrast color plants like dusty miller and potato vine, or with any light color foliage plants. Lavender, a beautiful plant for containers, for its highly fragrant and beautiful blooms. Lavender features narrow, aromatic leaves that are gray-green in color, providing year-round interest. It produces attractive spikes of small, fragrant flowers in shades of purple, blue, and pink. Lavender can grow well in containers, a perfect filler companion plant for container gardening. Papyrus plant, also known as umbrella plant, valued for its unique growth habit and shape. This plant has a grass-like habit, with sprays of foliage at the top of the stems. The stems are rigid and triangular, and have a white pith inside, makes this plant a perfect and attractive thriller plant for container gardening. I hope you are enjoying the content of this video. Please drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. Colocasia esculenta black magic is deep purple leaves supported on strong stems of the same color. The dark coloration of the leaves makes black magic a standout in garden beds, borders, and container plantings. It is a perfect accent thriller plant for shade area containers. Yucca plant. It is a striking and low-maintenance perennial plant, and it is a slow-growing broadleaf evergreen succulent type. Yucca plants typically have long, stiff leaves that grow in a rosette pattern from a central trunk. A perfect thriller plant for container plant combination. Plant other companion plants along with yucca plant to make container statement. Dusty miller is a popular ornamental plant, valued for its silvery gray foliage and fine-textured and lacy leaves. Every flower garden or container needs a foliage foil to contrast its blooms. Dusty miller stands out as a neutral go-to plant for any color scheme. Its silvery leaves look stunning and pairs well most of the flowering plants. Coral bells, also known as heuchera, is a traditional perennial foliage plant, comes in lots of varieties with wonderful foliage colors, patterns, and textures. Coral bells' newer varieties have leaves in shades of purple, rose, lime green, gold, and more. These are widely accepted perennial plants, and appreciated for their colorful foliage and delicate flowers. With their wide range of colors and textures, they are sure to add beauty and charm to container planting and landscape. Angel wings, a gorgeous, broad-leafed succulent foliage plant. Its silver leaves are soft to the touch, making this tactile plant a sure winner plant for containers, as well as in the garden landscaping. Its vibrant silvery foliage and glossy texture look stunning, and pairs well most of the flowering plants and foliage plants. Caladiums are most loving tropical perennials for its unparalleled foliage. These plants are known for their large, arrowhead-shaped leaves that come in a wide range of colors and patterns. Caladiums can easily offer the visual impact in container planting and pairs well with most combination of foliage plants. Some varieties have solid colored leaves, while others have contrasting veins. Caliber koa, also known as million bells, is one of the most popular plants for growing outdoors in containers. Million bells and super bells are most commonly used names. Caliber koa comes in a rainbow of colors, in solids as well as in two tones, with stripes and patterns. A wonderful filler annual for containers to add colorful impact and long blooming flowers. Coleus is a popular ornamental plant. It is prized for its colorful foliage and versatility. Coleus are foliage plants in a wide selection of colors and patterns, for the annual garden, and for container planting. Coleus stay vibrant in both sun and shade, and are tolerant of most soil type. Most of Coleus varieties can provide season-long interest, dying back with the first frost. A perfect addition for colorful container gardening. Diplodenia, also known as mandevilla, is a genus of tropical flowering plant with vining habit. Diplodenia plants are treasured for their large, showy flowers and lush foliage. This plant thrives in full sun to partial shade. Season-long blooming flowers and vining habit make this plant perfect choice for containers display. Cordyline red star, it is prized for its striking foliage coloration, architectural form, and low-maintenance nature. This tropical-looking plant is a popular choice for adding year-round interest to containers and landscaping. Cordyline red star grows as a clumping shrub, with multiple stems arising from the base. This growth habit of cordyline make it a popular choice for thriller container planting. Canna lilies are beautiful, easy-to-grow plants that effortlessly bring a splash of the tropics to your garden and container arrangements. Canna lily shows paddle-shaped leaves that grow in a clumping habit. The leaves can be solid green or variegated with stripes. Large colorful leaves and flowering habit of cannas make them a popular choice for container planting and open landscape areas. Gura lindheimeri, commonly called gura, is a herbaceous clump-forming perennial that grow tall on stems clad with spoon-shaped leaves. Gura is a lovely perennial plant, prized for its delicate pink flowers and graceful, airy appearance. Long wand-like stems open to pink flowers make gura a perfect choice for containers and landscaping area. Choosing ornamental grasses for containers can add texture, movement, and interest to your patio, balcony, or garden space. Variegated grasses such as dwarf fountain grass or dwarf moor grass can bring up overall aesthetic design you wish to achieve. Fill up the container with flowering plants and attractive foliage to make it a wonderful all-season container planting. Tea plant, also known as Cordyline fruticosa or Cordyline terminalis, is a popular tropical plant valued for its colorful foliage and upright growth habit. Tea plant features long, sword-shaped leaves that grow in a rosette form from a central stem. This habit make tea plant a perfect choice for container as a thriller plant. Supertunia vista petunias are prized for their vibrant colors, prolific flowering, and trailing habit, making them popular choices for adding color and texture to containers, hanging baskets, and garden beds. These petunias are renowned for their vigorous growth and ability to spread and trail over the edges of containers or cascade down slopes. Creeping Jenny is a low-growing, trailing perennial plant valued for its bright yellow-green foliage and spreading habit. The leaves are vibrant yellow-green in color, adding a splash of color to containers and hanging baskets. It is most popular spiller plant for container planting. Potato vine. Sweet Caroline Raven and Sweet Caroline Tricolor are popular ones from this family. Tricolor has strikingly variegated foliage that highlights the garden. This sweet potato vine is a beautiful complement to both flowers and foliages, in shades of burgundy, pink or white. Sweet Caroline Raven has rich dark purple-black palmate leaves. It is a full to partial sun plant that is trailing and well-mounded. Potato vines are vibrant and easy-growing spiller plants in containers. Purple Heart is a versatile and eye-catching plant that adds color, texture, and visual interest to gardens, landscapes, and containers. It is a striking perennial plant, valued for its vibrant purple foliage and trailing habit. Easy-to-grow perennial plant, goes well as ground-covering plant as well as container plant. Asparagus fern, a popular ornamental plant, appreciated for its delicate, feathery foliage and arching growth habit. It features fine, needle-like leaves arranged in clusters along wiry, arching stems. The foliage is typically bright green, a perfect spiller companion plant that goes well in container planting. Oxalis triangularis, also known as purple shamrock, values for its vibrant foliage and mounding habit. This low-growing perennial plant features vibrant, purple clover-like foliage. Pair up with other bright foliage plants in container to make a statement. I hope this video is enjoyable and useful. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video.